Hey everyone, this is my live day trading video. This is my day trade on DGLY. I got in at $4.75 on a short position for 1,200 shares. I got short at 1,200 around 475 because the stock was showing weakness. It was a gap up. The stock was gapping up about 35-45%. And as soon as I saw that there wasn't volume pouring in it, I realized that this stock wasn't really going to be going anywhere. It's currently at $4.30. Total profit right now is $5.41. You can see at the top of the screen and also the bottom of the screen. The reason why I had shorted this stock was because early in the morning in pre-market, it was showing signs of it gapping up 30-40%. But it wasn't showing any strength during the market open. You can see the market open, it did drop a little bit, and then it picked up. But once I saw that second red candle after the green candle run up, I realized that there wasn't any strength in it. On top of it, there's only 2 million volume in the stock overall as of now, which is basically just a weak stock. A lot of sell-offs, not really many people pushing the stock up. So far, I'm at $594 profit. Looking to lock in my profit at 425. It's at 425.10 right now, so just a little bit off of where I want to be at. But 594 profits, and there we go, 425. Looks like we're gonna be able to get it. So this is a live day trade I did from home. A little bit under $600 profits in the first hour of the market open. Easy money, easy profits. I'm just waiting for my order to fill to buy 1,200 shares back. If you don't know anything about shorting, I'm thinking about making a shorting video. So I basically make money as the stock goes down. Each cent that goes down off of 1,200 shares is $12 per cent. So right now I have a total of 50 cents profit, and I just covered my position. I just covered my position for that 1,200 shares at 425, meaning I bought back the shares, the 1,200 shares, and took my profits, $590 in profits, in about an hour of day trading in the stock market. I usually do this 3 to 4 times a week, depending on if I can short overnight due to the PDT rule. But here's my quick video: $590 profit in less than an hour day trading. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in there, and like and subscribe.